Okay guys, I got a 98 1500. I recently changed the motor in this door, but I've been having intermittent problems with this switch. You press it, it won't lock. It does nothing, but it'll unlock all day. And if you go over here, locks it just fine. So after changing the motor, I knew that wasn't the issue. I was changing it as a preventative, but this just started happening last week, and so nothing. No lock, nothing. Well, I tried. Alright, let's get the new one in. Alright, got the new one on. Locks, unlocks, locks. Works just fine on both sides. So it was the switch. Switch was bad. The part number is 1515143. Got that? I got a Delco one on Amazon for like 20 bucks. So just to kind of give you a shout out for some of the 90s models, and then I think this button was on the 2000s. So just double check your year and model, make sure this will fit, but worked like a dream for mine. Just a little intermittent problem I fixed with just the switch. Thank God it wasn't the linkage or the latch rods or anything in there, the wiring mainly. So if you guys liked it, hit like. Thank you.